In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your sales pipeline in Freshsales in just 5 minutes. If you're looking to streamline your sales process and increase efficiency, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and walk through this step-by-step guide to setting up and managing your sales pipeline using Freshsales. To get started, open up your preferred web browser and simply search for Freshsales. Once you've located the website, go ahead and log in with your credentials. After you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. From here, you want to navigate to the admin settings. It's crucial to become familiar with this area as it contains a wealth of customization options that can really shape your sales management experience. Next, locate the section labeled Deals and Pipelines, and then select Pipelines. With the Pipelines section now visible, you're ready to add a new pipeline. This can be done by clicking on either the plus symbol or the Add New Pipeline button. This is a significant step, as adding a new pipeline gives you the flexibility to tailor the sales process to your needs. Once you've clicked to add a new pipeline, the next crucial step is customization. This involves several things, starting with naming your pipeline. Choose a name that is unique and clearly reflects the goals or characteristics of this particular sales path. Let's move on to adding stages to your pipeline. Each stage represents a different step in your sales process. To add a new stage, click on the plus button. When designing these stages, think carefully about the typical journey your leads take from being a potential prospect to becoming a finalized deal. Assigning a probability percentage to each stage is also important, as it helps with forecasting potential revenue. Consider what the likelihood is of deals in each stage converting successfully. This is a strategic move that can really enhance the predictive power of your sales management. Once you have your stages created, it's time to ensure they're in the correct order. Reordering stages is simple and can be done through a drag-and-drop function. Proper order helps streamline the flow of your sales process and keeps your team on the same page. You should also set a rotting age for each stage, which defines how long a deal can linger in that stage before it's considered stagnant or at risk of falling through. This is a helpful feature for maintaining momentum and ensuring no opportunities go overlooked. Finally, once you're satisfied with your new pipeline and all stages are properly configured, remember to save your work. The Save button is typically your last step, but arguably one of the most important, as it commits all your customizations and settings to Freshsales. Congratulations, you've just created and customized a sales pipeline that fits your unique requirements. This streamlined pipeline will help you maintain better control of your sales process, improve forecasting accuracy, and enhance overall team productivity. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guided setup helpful.